to my vlog. In this date, it's already February 14. My boyfriend decided to take me to Chimichanga in Pelabor for a quick brunch. And here's what we're eating. It's so delicious, to be honest with you. And at that time, I'm having menstrual cramps because of my period. But after eating, it suddenly made me feel better. Afterwards, we went to Watson's to buy some medicines to reduce my discomfort and some heating pad since I'm really irritable when I'm on my period. Then my boyfriend got me sea salt latte.
I got you some sea salt and latte.
Nice. Ang alat talaga
Sean
niyan.
got hot matcha latte.
Ano nasa? Mansuri nga, kaya siya. Ito sa buwan. Parang sa dito
May pro.
Pero mali pa sa akin.
Then after spending literally hours in the compost coffee, spending our hours there just to finish our drink. I said I don't want to walk and walk inside the mall, so we decided to leave and go back to his apartment.
Hi guys, we're done eating brunch and buying essentials. Mainly menstruation things and John sleepers. That's it. Diba?
Uwi muna para kumain. Then papalit ko siya.
That's our itinerary.
At this point, we're already heading out after we drop by the things that we bought. In this route, the bus that we rode is going to Haji Lane. After walking down the Arab Street, it's really crowded that time since it's weekend. We reached the colorful street of Haji Lane, but unfortunately,
We're stranded.
the rain started to pour down heavily. So we took a chance to do photo booth instead while waiting for the rain to stop.
Kita yung pagiging oily sa kanan.
You could really feel the festive energy in this place. As Chinese New Year is just around the corner, people are buying left and right. It's kinda chaotic, to be honest. And all shops are packed, fully packed.
Nandito kami sa Chinatown. Dinala ko ni John sa Chinatown. Ganyan yung shops dito. Colored pastel yung mga buildings.
Ang dami na natin nadaan ng pastel.
Kaya nga, dito lang kami nag-stop over. Rest for a while, then
Satisfied na yung photo niya nung punta sa Juchat.
sa Juchat pa, syempre. Grabe. Super daming na mga tao kanina nakapunta ng Dali. Guys, there's more. Dadalhin pala namin kayo doon para makita. Dali, tara. Ay, hawakan mo muna. Iko-close ko lang bag ko. Navigator slash video man. Video cameraman. Napaka-effective
Inom
ng ininom ko. At least kahit uminom ako ng coffee after ko uminom ng Nurofen, tumalab pa rin naman yung pain reliever.
Nakakalakad ka na. Ang dami.
Ikaw, nawala yung headache mo pagkainom ng paracetamol.
No.
Oopsies, my bad.
Nag-cafe tayo, di ba? Nag-coffee. Sa
$1.
gitna.
Ano yan?
Ikaw yung light na.
Akin na. May tattoo pa dito. Oh. Parang random naman ang tattoo shop na yun. Thanks, Jan, for the flowers. Fresh flowers, $7.
At this point, we passed through the crowded streets already of the Chinatown and we're heading home. Ito na yung route na pabalik sa apartment.
Hindi kasi natin eh.
Walang awareness.
Lucky Chinatown Mall? Diyan ba tayo kumain dati sa baba, sa food court nila?
Hindi ko ba yun? Lucky Plaza yun.
Okay.
I think.
It seems I'm whispering na pauwi na kami, nakakapagod.
Sa tingin mo, masaya mag-travel in a group?
No? Kaya nag-solo. Plano ko sana mag-solo sa Vietnam. Pero nag-solo din ako ng saglit. Kasi nagputor ako sa hindi ko. Dito tayo dito. Kasi kapag solo, kahit ano ba, sama ko okay naman si Clarence sa si Axel. Kung saan ko gusto ito, sila. Wala tayo pero sorry.
Wow, ngayon lang siya nag-take ng photo. Is-screenshot ko na lang. Tara, pagod na mi. For the footage.
Gusto mo subukan yan? Foot massage.
Isa pa to? Kami nagpe-perform ng mga senior ah.
Baka huminga ka ng pera.
Oo, ayaw mo talaga. Bigyan mo, $10.
Wala akong cash eh.
Ito next, ito next. Ito next, ipa-volunteer. Naka-zoom.
pinakakit ulit. Linlin ko ito.
Part of traveling is getting lost. It's okay.
Ay, yung bridge na maganda sa Vietnam. Kaya kami napunta doon kasi nawala ako.
At least,
Na-miss ko yung turn ko, kami nila klaro sa namin turn. Tapos
hindi
napunta
kayo
kami
bumaba dun sa station, supposed station.
sa ano? Nagmotor
Akit
ako
ulit
dun.
tayo?
Hindi, left.
Left.
Nagmotor ako nun. Tapos si Clarence navigator ko. Tapos sabi guys, turn left na wala. Wala nang left.
Ha? Saan left?
Tapos sa magandang bridge.
Ano kaya ibig sabihin itong characters na to?
How unpredictable today was. 1 minute it was calm, the next minute it was pouring rain, and then suddenly the streets were buzzing with people preparing for the Chinese New Year. It's just like that. I'm wrapping my day 1 vlog.